Are you also finding ways to take your business to next level? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to send Pabbly Chatflow data to Pabbly Connect. Yes, so here as an owner of a digital marketing agency, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp messages and inquiries from new leads and my existing customers. Handling each of the customer and inquiry manually is a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. So here I have built an amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without any coding and programming skills, in such a way that every time I'm going to receive a new WhatsApp message from any of my customer or lead, automatically a reply is going to be sent to that same person. Not only this, but also when I'm going to receive the details of my customers, such as their name, their email address and the type of service in which they are interested, automatically these details will be recorded in my Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation and the entire process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to send Pabbly Chatflow data towards Pabbly Connect with the help of API node. So here I'm an owner of a digital marketing agency. I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on day-to-day basis from new leads, clients and multiple customers. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of a chatbot that I am going to create without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So here, while creating the chatbot, I have also connected it with my Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that every time I'm going to receive the name, the email address and the type of service in which the client is interested, that will be added automatically in my Google Sheets. So before moving forward towards learning how to create this entire setup step by step, I am going to first of all show you that how it is actually going to work. So this is the WhatsApp number of my digital marketing agency, and as a lead or as a client, I am going to send a message over here on this number. Hi, please help me. As I've sent this message, you can see I got an instant reply. Hello there, welcome to Digital Dynamics, your growth partner in digital marketing. Let's get started. I'll just need a few details to assist you better. It is asking me my name. So let me provide my name over here. Let's say Smart Lead. As I've sent this name, now it is asking me my email address. So let me provide email as well. As I've sent the email, now it is asking me the service I'm interested in. So let's say I'm going to enter. As I've sent the service name, you can see I got the reply. Awesome, thanks for sharing the details. Here I have the name, email and the service type. And here I have the buttons. But before that, you can see that when I'm going to take you towards Google Sheets, here we have the response captured of the details of the lead. We have the name as Smart Lead. We have the email and the service type as well. So in this way, the API node is actually going to work. Now further, when I'm going to click on this button, schedule a call, it is providing me the details. When I'm going to click on see our packages, they have their packages: starter plan, growth plan, premium plan. Let's say I'm going to select premium plan. So it is providing me the details of their premium plan and their pricing. So in this way, the flow is actually going to work. It is going to automate the responses. Not only this, but it is also going to send the responses simultaneously towards Google Sheets. So in this way, the bot is actually going to work. Let's start learning this amazing process step by step for our business. To start with the process, first of all, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software, also to test multiple automations. Here you can see we are running one-time deal on Pabbly Chatflow. Do not miss it. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. Over here, to create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find all the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed and the remaining credits as well. Also, we can see the WhatsApp number that we have added in our account over here. If you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can also save them by creating separate folders. Now, to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have two methods over here. Click on this add WhatsApp number. Here we have two methods: WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method. For both the methods, we have created separate tutorials that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn the full setup, just go and watch the videos. Okay, for you, I'm also going to attach the link of both the videos in the description of my video. All right, now apart from creating chatbots, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow, such as inbox feature, contact section, team queues, template section, broadcast, flows by using which we are going to create the chatbots, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. If you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, we have the videos for them in the detailed tutorial format that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. Just go and watch the video as you want. Okay, now let's start creating the flow. For that, first of all, we have to go towards the flow section. So we are on the flow section, and here we have the active flows and also we have the inactive flows. Now let's start creating the flow for our business. First of all, let's click on this add flow button. Here we have a blank flow and we are going to complete it. We are going to prepare it to create our bot. You have to keep in mind that the bot which we are going to create is totally going to be based on the flow, because it is going to decide the chronological orders that are going to be sent to the customers or to your leads on the basis of their response. So flow is very important. And now first of all, I'm going to give a name to my flow. WhatsApp chatbot for digital marketing agency. As I've given the name, now here I have to decide that how my flow should start. Okay, as I've shown you in the beginning of the video that when I was receiving any messages from my leads or from my customers, my flow was starting. So either I can use some keywords over here that when I'm going to receive specific keywords, then only my flow should start. Or either I can use a regex over here that is going to help us to identify any of the messages and start the flow. Regex is regular expressions. We have multiple regex, and here I'm going to use a specific regex that is going to help me that as soon as I'm going to receive any kind of message, whether it is a text message, a paragraph, a single word, an emoji, or even a symbol, my flow is going to start automatically. So the regex which I am going to use over here is this. Okay. Now, as I've entered the regex, with the help of it, my flow is going to start. So as my flow is going to start, first of all, I'm going to ask the name of my customer and I will introduce my business to them. So for that, I'm going to select the actions as ask questions. Okay, and I'm going to connect it with my flow start step. Now, the message which I want to send them is, hello there, welcome to Digital Dynamics. This is the name of my business, your growth partner in digital marketing. I have made some of the details bold, such as the name of my business, by adding stars like this. Let's get started. I'll just need a few details to assist you better. Can you please tell me your full name? I want to collect the name of my customers, and in order to add them permanently, I'm going to use full name, that is from contact custom field. How to select contact custom field? For that, from the left side, you can go towards settings section. Here we have contact custom field section. When you will open it, you can select any of the detail which you want to capture from your leads and collect them in contact custom field section. As I have selected full name, whenever I'm going to receive the reply from my customers or from my leads along with their name, that name is going to be automatically added in my contact section. And further, in my communication with that same customer or lead, I will be able to use that name to address them. Also, not only this, I will be able to store the details systematically somewhere where I want. That I'm going to show you further in the flow. Okay, now here we have the format. So format of the name is going to be text. If you want to provide the number of free attempt chances, you can enter the number and the validation message over here. Now, as I'm going to collect the name, then further I want to collect their email address as well. For that, I'm going to select another question, and that is going to be, great, now please share your email address so our team can get in touch with you. I want to collect the email, so I'm going to again select contact custom field, and the format of the email is going to be email. And then further I'm going to collect that what is the kind of service in which they are interested. So again, I'm going to send them a question. So now I'm going to send them the message as, what service are you interested in? Please choose from the options below. And here I'm going to select the contact custom field as type of service. So here we have the contact custom field. I have specifically created it for service type. I have selected that, and the format is again going to be text. Now, as I've asked these details, I want to add these details in my Google Sheets. How can I do that? Directly I cannot add them. I will have to connect my Google Sheets with this flow. How can I do that? For that, I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect. That is an amazing automation and integration software. So here we can access Pabbly Connect from all apps section. Let's access now. And until we are going to go towards the dashboard, I'm going to show you what we are supposed to do in the flow in order to connect this flow with our Pabbly Connect account. For that, we have to go towards actions, and here we have the option of API request. All right. So now simply we will connect this API request with our previous step until we are collecting the details, name, email, and full name, email, and the service type. And now here we require a webhook URL. So again, I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. Over here, we are going to click on this create workflow option. I'm going to again give the name of my bot over here to this workflow as well. Okay. And I'm going to save it in WhatsApp marketing automations. I'm going to click on create. Here, as the workflow is created, it is going to be Here as the workflow is created, we are going to go towards a new screen. Now here we have to select the trigger and action. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. For example, here I want that as soon as in my flow when the customers are responding, as soon as I will receive the name, email and the service type, immediately the response of these details should be captured inside Pabbly Connect so that I can add them further in my Google Sheets for creating a systematic record of my leads details. Okay, so here my trigger is going to be Pabbly Chatflow because I'm going to receive the response of the leads from Pabbly Chatflow through the bot that we are preparing. So I'm going to select Pabbly Chatflow over here as my trigger step, and here I want to collect the details and add them in my Google Sheets. So my action application is going to be Google Sheets. Okay. So as soon as we will receive the response from Pabbly Chatflow, it will be added directly to Google Sheets. So how we are going to capture the response from Pabbly Chatflow? For that, we have to go towards trigger event, and here we have to select new message received as our trigger event. And here you can see that we got a webhook URL. Also, we have received some instructions. By following the given instructions step by step carefully, we need to insert the webhook URL inside our flow from where we want to capture the response. So let's copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do. We have received the webhook URL which is required over here in the flow. So let's select it. And here we have to first of all select the type of request. I want to transfer the response towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, we are going to select post as our request because we want to post the data towards Pabbly Connect towards the webhook URL. And here in the field of enter or paste URL, we need to paste the webhook URL that we have received from Pabbly Connect. Now, one by one, we have to decide what all fields we want to capture inside Pabbly Connect. First of all, I want the full name. So I'm going to quickly enter the exact contact custom field like this full name over here, and I'm going to select full name in this custom field. Then the second is going to be email, and here I'm going to select email as the contact custom field. Now the next I want is service type. So here I'm going to select service type as my contact custom field. So these are the three details that I want to capture and send towards Pabbly Connect. Now, as I've selected the parameters and we have set up the connection, let's click on test to send the test response of these details towards Pabbly Connect. As the test data is received over here, you can see in Pabbly Connect, this means our connection is built. API request successful. So let's save it. As we have saved the connection, now we can simply click on cross. So now every time the details will be captured through Pabbly Chatflow, the response of those details such as the name, email and the service type will be automatically received over here inside Pabbly Connect. And as I told you, I want to create a record of these details in my Google Sheets. So now first of all, I'm going to create a spreadsheet in front of you for adding the leads detail. So here I have prepared a spreadsheet with the name as new leads, and here I have the columns such as name, email address and the service type. So whenever I'm going to receive the response of my leads through my bot that I've prepared with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then the response of the details will be added over here in my Google Sheets. Now I'm going to build the connection between the spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect so that we can create a record. So here our action event is going to be add new row so that the details could be added systematically in separate columns and in a row. Let's click on connect. To build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, here you can see that I am already logged into my Google Sheets account, and here I'm going to show you to build this connection. If you already have an existing connection with Google Sheets, you can select that. To create a new connection, click on sign in with Google. Because I was already logged in, so my account is detected, I'm going to simply select that account, and now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to have the access of our Google Sheets. So I'm going to quickly click on allow to provide this permission. As our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, you can see that the authorization has become successful and the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is built. Now here we have to select our spreadsheet, that is with the name of new leads. As you can see, I have selected it from the drop down. Here we have the details, so we have to one by one enter these details. In our earlier response, we have already received these details. This is the name, email and the service type. So one by one, let's simply map them. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. So instead of entering the details manually, we are simply inserting the data like this from the previous step to make it dynamic and to make it automatically get replaced whenever a new response will be captured. Because if we will enter it manually by typing or by copy and pasting, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. So here I've mapped the the email, and now I'm going to map the service type. Do not worry, because we have clicked on test button while connecting the API setup. So we have received the test details, but when our flow is actually going to run in real time, whenever the response will be received from the customers or from the leads, actual details will be added over here automatically. Okay, now let's click on save and send test request button. We have received the response, so I will take you towards my Google Sheets. And you can see that the data is added over here. We have the full name. In the name column, we have email and the service type as well. So this means our connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. And here we have connected our flow with Google Sheets in such a way that whenever we are going to receive the response of the leads in the flow, the details will be automatically transferred towards Google Sheets. Now further, you have to decide that when you're going to receive the details of your leads, such as name, email, and the service type, what message next you want to send. So I want to send them a simple message that their details are recorded and soon we are going to connect them. So I'm going to send them a text plus button message over here. The message will be, awesome, thanks for sharing your details. Here what we got, and here I'm going to enter name, and here I'm going to use a $sign with contact custom field to make this name dynamic and variable so that we can use it in our conversations. Okay. Then we have received email, and here again I'm going to use the $sign with email. Then we have received the type of service. Okay. Now I'm going to enter. Our team will get in touch with you shortly to discuss your needs in detail. And now I'm going to enter the rest of the message as. Meanwhile, you can choose an option below. So I'm going to provide them some button options that what they want next. If they want to schedule a call, so I'm going to provide them the option of scheduling a call. And if they want to view the packages that we are offering for different purposes and different services. Okay, and that's it. If they want to schedule a call, so I'm going to send them a link where they can schedule their call. Thank you for showing interest in our services at Digital Dynamics. We'd love to understand your goals and recommend the best digital marketing solutions for your business. Schedule a free strategy call at your convenience. And here we have provided them the Calendly link. Okay, now if they want to see the packages, so I'm going to provide them the different packages that we are offering. For that, I have again selected text plus button message. And here I'm going to send them a message as, please select a package to know more details. If they want to have a starter plan, a growth plan, or a premium plan. So in case if they want to have for a starter plan, so I'm going to provide them the service package catalog of that. So here I'm going to send them an image message, a media message, where I'm going to select the media type as image, and I'm going to upload the image of the starter plan over here. So I will directly upload the image from my computer, the starter plan. If they want to request a call after reading these details, so I've entered the caption want to talk. And here I'm going to attach the button request a call. If they will click on this button, I'm going to send them the same message that I am sending in order to schedule a call. Now, if the second we have the growth plan. So if the person is going to click on the button growth plan, I'm going to provide them the catalog in the image format related to growth plan. Again, I'm going to provide the same message caption as well over here. And I will attach same button. If they will click on this button, again, I'm going to send them the same message where I'm providing them the link. Then if they are clicking on the button premium plan, so I'm going to provide them the package for the premium plan in the image format. And here I'm going to upload the image. You can see that I've uploaded the image. I'm going to enter the same message over here in the caption and the same button. Now here my flow is ready. So I will quickly save it. Keep saving your flow as you're moving forward to make it updated and keep saving it. Okay, so here as the flow is completed and is saved, I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and we will see whether the flow is properly working or not. So this is the WhatsApp number of Digital Dynamics. I have opened it and now as a customer or as a lead, I'm going to send a message. Hello, I need help. You can see that we are receiving the replies as I have sent the message. So this means our flow is actually working fine. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business, any business which you are having or any services. And you can also connect this flow, connect your bot with Google Sheets or with any of your CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. I have shown you that how you have to do that. So I hope this entire automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Without any coding and programming skills, you can create it very easily. So thank you for watching the video.
Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.